Assalamu alaikum. Are you running an Odoo 19 website but struggling with SEO and tracking? Like this Chilean plant nursery, many businesses face technical hurdles. Common issues include missing Google Analytics 4 and Tag Manager setups, leaving you blind to your customer journey and data. Without a verified Search Console and XML sitemap, your Odoo site remains invisible to Google, missing out on organic traffic. Missing structured data like product and local business schemas means no rich snippets in search results, reducing your click-through rates. Broken meta tags and OG images make your content look unprofessional when shared on social media, hurting your brand authority. Alhamdulillah, there is a solution. I am MD Niamul, a senior tracking engineer and Odoo SEO expert with over 5 years of experience. I specialize in installing and configuring GA4 and GTM directly within the Odoo 19 website module for perfect data flow. I will verify your XML sitemap in Google Search Console, ensuring every page of your site is indexed and discoverable. I implement advanced JSON-LD structured data for products, FAQ pages and breadcrumbs to make your site stand out. For local businesses, I set up specialized schemas that help you dominate local search results in your specific region. I also configure 301T directs for Odoo's default URLs, ensuring a seamless experience for your Spanish-speaking audience. Your social sharing will be flawless with fixed meta tags and OG images, making your products look premium on every platform. I even fix embedded video display issues on your product pages, providing a richer experience for your customers. My process is simple: a deep audit, expert implementation, and rigorous QA to ensure everything is 100% accurate. With over 1,500 projects completed and $11 million in revenue generated for clients, I bring proven results to your business. I guarantee 99% data accuracy by bypassing ITP and ad blockers using advanced server-side tracking solutions. The benefit is clear: higher search rankings, better data for decision making, and increased conversion rates for your store. You receive full funnel tracking and professional documentation, turning raw data into clear, actionable business insights. My goal is simple: I engineer data precision so you can grow with confidence. Measure, optimize, scale. If you need this kind of expert help with your Odoo SEO or tracking, please message me on WhatsApp. I have already mentioned my contact information and booking link in this video description box and pinned comment. Let's transform your Odoo website into a high-performance sales machine. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you.